subscribe the channel. Hello and welcome to English class. Dear students, today we will learn 6.4 We love vegetables and 6.5 A vegetable basket. We love vegetables. Why? Did you know? I'll tell you. Vegetables contain an impressive amount of nutrients. Eating vegetables every day is important for health. Let's know the vegetable and its name. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Carrot. Carrot. Cabbage. Cauliflower. Carrot. Tomato. Tomato. Potato. Potato. Onion. Onion. Tomato. Potato. Onion. Peas. Peas. Beans. Beans. Cucumber. Cucumber. Peas. Beans. Cucumber. Chilies. Chilies. Garlic. Garlic. Ginger. Ginger. Chilies. Garlic. Ginger. Radish. Radish. Brinjal. Brinjal. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Radish. Brinjal. Pumpkin. Let's do an activity. A vegetable basket. Listen and say. Listen to the names of the vegetables and add other names to it. Speak, speak.
What is speak?
Vegetables name, be quick.
Tomato,
Be quick.
Potato.
Be quick.
radish,
Be quick.
onion,
Be quick.
Cauliflower.
Be quick.
lady's finger,
Be quick.
carrot.
Be quick.
Peas.
Be quick.
Oh, I didn't get it.
My favorite vegetable is potato. Do you like potatoes? No, I don't. What do you like? I like carrots. I hope that you are familiar with vegetables' name. Dear students, play Speak Speak vegetables name be quick and start eating vegetables for better health. Take care and be happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.